Hi everybody, welcome back to Ask Sami. For our second season, we've decided to shake things up a bit. After the success of our walking tours, aka building stories, I thought I'd use these videos to take you to some of the most interesting offices we can find. And what a way to start than with the one and only The Shard. Iconic, isn't it? It's the tallest building in the UK, standing at a whopping 310 metres tall, and the offices inside are just as impressive. They span from the 4th to the 28th floors, with jaw-dropping views of London's biggest landmarks. I'm talking St Paul's, the Thames, NatWest Tower, the whole city. And as you can see, the Shard was designed with a unique tapering shape, so the office spaces get smaller as you go up, giving you a different vibe on every floor. And the lifts are incredibly speedy, travelling at 6 metres per And the lifts are incredibly fast, travelling at a whopping 6 metres per second. My favourite thing about the Shard though, of course, are its sustainability credentials. Its double-skin facade with automated blinds between its glazed layers maximises daylight and cuts heat gain, keeping it efficient and comfortable. It uses 30% less energy than typical skyscrapers, it holds a top-tier BREEAM rating, it was built with 95% recycled materials, including 20% recycled steel. So yeah, the Shard isn't just a pretty face on the skyline, it's a seriously cool and sustainable place to work, and the offices there are anything but ordinary. I'll catch you in the next episode, and if there's any offices you'd like me to visit next time, just ask me.